When the lights go out, having a reliable and sustainable lighting option is crucial. Let's explore why beeswax candles are the ultimate choice for preppers. Beeswax candles burn cleaner than regular candles. They produce little to no soot, improving indoor air quality, an essential factor during emergencies when ventilation might be limited. Beeswax candles are long-lasting. Their natural composition allows them to burn slower, giving you more light and value compared to other options. They're also non-toxic and eco-friendly, made from natural resources. This makes them safer for your family and better for the environment. Whether you're off-grid or facing a blackout, beeswax candles provide sustainable, long-lasting, and safe lighting for preppers. Stock up now and stay ready for any crisis. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.